Welcome to the Mega Photoshop Tutorials. In this Photoshop tutorial, I will explain how to whiten teeth. Attributions and link of images located in my video description. Enjoy watching. I will be very happy if you click on the subscribe button. Let's get started. That's the image we're going to use. Notice that the teeth are not white. We're going to whiten them in this tutorial. First, we will select the teeth. To do this, use the magnetic lasso tool from the toolbar. Use Quick Selection tool, select and mask to refine edge and feather. Create a new layer. Use Ctrl or Command+G to group layers. Click on the layer mask. As you can see, the selection you just made is activated on the layer mask. That's our selection. Now, make sure that layer 1 is selected. Create a hue saturation adjustment layer. Decrease the saturation and increase the lightness. Go to the adjustment layer again and choose curves. Drag the curve to get the best result. You can also adjust the teeth using blending option from layer style window. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel.